Hello friends, today I am doing important top 10 GK questions and answers. First question, Visual Healthcare and Hygiene Expo 2020. Union Ministry for Chemicals and Fertilizers inaugurated one of India's largest and first Visual Healthcare and Hygiene Expo 2020. It is organized by FICCI. It aims to give a boost to health and hygiene endeavors. Due to COVID 19 in India, an ecosystem is being built for a self reliant India, which will help in ramping up domestic production in pharmaceutical, health and hygiene sector. Second question, D10 Club. It includes G7 countries UK, US, Italy, Germany, France, Japan, and Canada, plus Australia, South Korea, and India. It will aim to create alternative suppliers of 5G equipment and other technologies to avoid relying in China. Third question, Central Board of Direct Taxes or CBDT. CBDT have been created under the Central Boards of Revenue Act 1963 as a part of the Department of Revenue under the Ministry of Finance. It provides inputs for policy and planning of direct taxes in India and is also responsible for the administration of direct tax laws through the Income Tax Department. Direct taxes include income tax, corporation tax, etc. Fourth question, India Cycles for Change Challenge. The Smart Cities Mission under the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs has opened the registration for India Cycles for Change Challenge. India Cycles for Change Challenge was launched in June 2020 to inspire Indian cities to implement quick cycling friendly interventions in the wake of COVID 19 with the support of their citizens and assistance from experts. Fifth question, Charan. The Charan, also called Gajvi, is a small tribe in Gujarat, and the name Charan is derived from the word char, which means grazing. They speak Gujarati and use Gujarati script. They marry within their community and practice monogamy. The Charans are traditionally cattle breeders. They have also adopted agriculture as their secondary occupation. They profess Hinduism and the main deity is Pithorai Mata. Sixth question, Mongolian Kanjur. It is a Buddhist coni- canonical text in 108 volumes and is considered to be the most important religious text in Mongolia. It is a source of providing a cultural identity to Mongolia. In the Mongolian language, Kanjur means concise orders, the words of Lord Buddha in particular. It has been translated from Tibetan and is written in classical Mongolian. Seventh question, Southern Breedwing. Scientific name of Southern Breedwing is Troides minos. It is a large and striking butterfly endemic in South India. With a wingspan of 140 to 190 millimeter, it is considered as one of the largest butterflies of India. Protection status, least concern in the International Union for Conservation of Nature or IUCN. Eighth question, Samadhan Se Vikas Scheme. The Haryana government has introduced a one-time settlement scheme called Samadhan Se Vikas for the recovery of long pending dues on account of external development charges or EDC and infrastructural development charges IDC. The scheme is modeled on the central scheme of Vivad Se Vishwas 2020. Ninth question, Open Sky Agreement. Open Sky Agreements are bilateral agreements that the two countries negotiate negotiate to provide rights for airlines to offer international passenger and cargo services. It expands international passenger and cargo flights. 10th question. Indian Institute of Astrophysics or IIA. IIA is an autonomous institute of the Department of Science and Technology or DST, Government of India, headquarters Bengaluru and Karnataka. Subscribe, like and share. Thank you.